Hello, my name is Chef Egner, and I would like to welcome you to class today. To get started with, I just want to go over some expectations of the kitchen since we are new to being with each other. Number one, I ask that you respect each other. That is number one at the top, always and forever. For the rest of the semester, since we only have about a week left together, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making and talking about sandwiches and pizza, stocks and soups, knives and classic knife cuts, mother sauces, different types of cooking methods, and basic baking principles. For today's menu, we're going to be making pico de gallo. I'm going to show you a knife demo, and then as groups, we're going to make them together. As your group, this is what you're going to need. So each person in the group will be responsible for getting and preparing one of each ingredient, and we'll put them together to make the recipe. Thank you.